Welcome! The Eldorado Celtas are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Go to the Students tab on the navigation bar and select Add Student. Populate the student information: last name, first name, date of birth, and/or the SSID number. The SSID number is the preferred way to search for a student record. Click the box next to each field entered, and then click the Search for Student Records button. Do not be too specific if looking for a student with an uncommon name or spelling or a hyphenated last name. Using various name combinations will allow you to complete a more thorough search if the SSID number is not available.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado Celtas, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.